So here's how to sign up to WIX affiliate. Signing up for the WIX affiliate program lets you earn commissions by referring customers to WIX website services. Now here is how we are going to do it. First things first, just go ahead and type here WIX affiliate just like so, and then you should see something like this: drive traffics to WIX and get paid. So you have their WIX affiliate program, so I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then go ahead and click start earning now. After doing so, you're going to go ahead and fill in all the necessary details right here. So for example, this one, I'm going to go ahead and basically put here my name. Alright, so for the company name, I'm just going to call this one Easy Weber, or our channel name. And then we have there the email address, the address, and everything that are very important right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in all the details necessary. Country, for example, we are from the Philippines. We have state, we're going to go ahead and choose iCity. And then, all right, site name. So you have here, for example, this one, Easy Weber. And then for the URL, this is our channel. This one, you have to check this one. My site does not contain abusive content. That is very important. And then we're going to go ahead and click this one here. Were you previously a WIX affiliate? We're going to choose no, and we're going to agree with the terms and conditions. Next, we're going to go ahead and click this one here, agree to receive email from the WIX affiliate program. And then after doing so, just go ahead and tap the submit button down here. Alright, so it says here that the application has been successful and they will be in touch soon. So yep, that's how you're going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to sign up for WIX affiliate. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.